welcome back. Today still have some rainy weather hanging over the city, so I decided to come here to the Hawaiian Nature Center, Makiki Valley. There is actually the Makiki Loop Trail begins here, but you can kind of pick, there is several trails up here, so depending on the weather, let's see how far we go. As for hiking, this is probably the most convenient place to start a hike. There is restrooms here, actually open. They even got a place to wash your shoes here when you come back. I hope sometime Honolulu is going to invest more money into trails like that. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's go. Aloha. Alright, here we go. This is now one of those four-way intersections, which kind of can get confusing. Some of them have maps like this one has. That helps a lot. Now, make sure your cell phone has still charge. That definitely helps you. Again, it's kind of like yesterday's weather. Rain in and out. Still fine. Let's just keep going uphill. Let's go.
Oh, help me believe life is more than what we've been told it's supposed to be. Oh, la la let me be. La la let me be. La la.
All right, it's raining, or was raining pretty hard. We just keep hiking harder. Let's go.
La la let me be. La la let me be free. And it's such a mystery. We're still repeating our histories, even with a warning sign. Please help me out. Frustrated this is. The selfish world that we've been given. Oh, can we try and help each other out? So la la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. La la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. So what does it mean to be free? To be free in this American dream. Oh, help me believe life is more what we've been told. What we've been told. What we've been told. What we've been told. So la la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. La la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. Be free. What does it mean?
Alright, we're back here at the trailhead of the Kalawahine Trail. Been here a few times. Now from here, we actually have to follow the main road, maybe about 400 feet or so. And then we're heading back down to Makiki Valley. Let's go! All right, I made it back to the original Makiki Loop Trail. Now from here, it's only a few more minutes back down to the starting point. It's still raining on and off, but other than that, it was great. Let's go. I made it back. It was fun. Finally stopped raining. Was out, but for a little bit more than 4 hours, 8.5 miles, pretty steep upslope. Other than that, it was great. Again, thanks for watching. See you all tomorrow. Aloha.